Hello everyone, my name is Michael Overholt. I'm going to be doing a short tutorial on the use of the breakout rooms. The breakout rooms are a small group option built into Zoom that's really helpful. I was able to use this in a class very successfully. It does assume that students are going to be using individual devices so that they can be moved around easily. And it's really great if they can use their video options this way when they're talking to each other. It's a lot more personal that way. So the way to use the breakout room is, first of all, you need to turn them on in the settings, and you should have received instructions that show you where the settings are on the profile page. When you go to your profile page, you can find the settings and scroll down about 2/3 of the way, and you should see the turn on the breakout rooms option. This is a really great option for the free feature. I'm really pleased that Zoom has allowed this for the free account. Now, once you have turned it on, you should see it right down here on the bottom of your screen beside the record button. You can see the breakout rooms option right there. So let's go ahead and click on it. There are a number of things that you can do. Okay, I'm going to reset this to 2 rooms since I have 4 people. And you'll see that we've got 2 rooms called breakout rooms. You can change the names of these to whatever you want. I'm going to name the first one the Yankees. And I'm going to name the second one Cardinals. The greatest baseball team ever. Alright, and at this point I can go ahead and assign people in there. And I'll put Aaliyah and Katie in room 1, and I'm going to assign Mindy and Mr. Awesome to room 2. Now, you could automatically assign people as well if you wanted to. The way that I did it was manually. If you do it automatically, you just have it click there, recreate all rooms, and there you go. They've been switched around a little bit. Now they changed my name, so I'm going to put Yankees back there again, and Cardinals. Alright, here we go. If you want to add a room, say more people are showing up, you simply add some more breakout rooms, however many you need for however many students you want to have in each room, and then you simply open all the rooms. Right. Now it says all participants have been invited to join the breakout rooms. At this point, they're going to join the breakout rooms. Now what you can see is that everybody has joined the breakout rooms, and it's just me in the main meeting room, and that is totally okay. That's the way it's supposed to be. Now if I want to, as an instructor, go ahead and join one of these meeting rooms, all I have to do is go in to, for example, with the Yankees group, I'm going to go in and join them. Join Yankees, click yes, and here it has me joining the breakout rooms called the Yankees. Enlarge this. Alright, and now I've got Katie, Rose, and Mindy who are in this breakout room with me. If I want to leave the breakout room, on the bottom right corner here, I have the leave breakout room option, and here it says that I can either leave the meeting, return to the main session, or cancel. I want to return to the main session. That's returning me to the main session, and here I am, all by myself again. Now, click the breakout rooms to give our options again. I'm going to go into join the Cardinals. I'm going to join the Cardinals, click yes. It's letting me join the breakout rooms called the Cardinals. And here I am with Mr. Awesome and Aaliyah. So now I could check in with this group, I could talk to them, and when I am done, I simply scroll down to the bottom, put my mouse on the bottom of the Zoom screen, and click leave breakout room, return to main session, and there I am. So if I wanted to go ahead and stop the breakout rooms, I can click breakout rooms again and simply click close all rooms. I also, if I don't want to do that, I want to send a message to everyone, I can click send message, and I type my message here, say, I hope you have made it to question 2 by now. please finish soon. I'll be closing the rooms in 2 minutes. So I send a message to everyone, and everyone has received that message. Now, when I am ready to close all the rooms, I can go ahead and click close, and these rooms, everybody will come back to the main room in about a minute. Okay. And so that's essentially how to manage the breakout rooms. Okay. Now, let's go down here to the options. A couple of fun options we've got. When you click this, there are a variety of things that come up. One is that move all participants into breakout rooms automatically. That's not the default. The default is also then to allow participants to return to the main session at any time. So what that means is if they're in a breakout room, say they finish the assignment that I have created for them, they can return to the main session, which simply means they come out of the breakout room, they see a button that says end breakout room, and they come out. Or they can stay in there until I close it out. You can also set a timer for how long the breakout rooms. This is kind of nice, especially if you're in a tight crunch, and if you've done small groups before, you know that some groups will go way too long and some groups will go long enough. So if you wanted to change that, you could change it to breakout rooms close after approximately, let's say 10 minutes. Okay. It will notify me when time is up, and then they'll get a countdown as well. And this is really helpful. It allows them to kind of wrap up whatever they're talking about, and they know that it's automatically going to close. I like having a countdown. That's been a very helpful part of the breakout rooms in my experience.